Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. I've been using the new GoPro 9 for almost a year now, and I think this is one of the best action cameras ever created on earth. Regarding the stabilization, it is pretty awesome what this tiny device can make, but I decided to buy a 3-axis gimbal for the GoPro Hero 9. After searching for a couple of nights on the internet, I found this gimbal called Falcone by a company named INKEE. The INKEE Falcon 3-axis Handheld Action Camera Gimbal is a stabilizer designed to capture smooth, handheld footage with the action cameras. This gimbal is compatible with a variety of action cameras, but for me the most important was that it's compatible with my GoPro Hero 9. And whatsoever, there is also a vertical and horizontal shooting mode if you are interested. But for me it was really important that you don't have to install any third-party apps to use the gimbal with the GoPro. And if you don't have a GoPro camera, you will also be able to use this gimbal with your Osmo Action or Insta 360 cameras. I purchased this gimbal on Amazon. If you're interested, check the link down below in the description section. And finally, the gimbal arrived. The packaging was totally okay, so I wasn't afraid that anything is damaged inside the box. Let's see how this gimbal works. Just open the folding fingers on the bottom of your GoPro, fasten to the gimbal with the provided screw. To turn on the gimbal, press and hold the red button. This is it, now we are ready to go. Move around easily with the joystick on the gimbal. Funny that you can turn the GoPro 360 degrees around. Check out some videos created with the gimbal on the left, handheld on the right. Let me know what do you think about the gimbal in the comments, or if you have any questions. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.